Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial. Today we're going to explore how to interact with various AI models available in Bito. Upon logging into the Bito extension, you'll be greeted by the AI chat screen. If you glance at the bottom right corner of the Bito pane, you'll find a drop-down menu. This menu allows you to select the AI model you wish to use. We have categorized our AI models into two types, basic and advanced. If you're using our free plan, you can only chat with the basic AI models. However, users subscribed to the 10x developer plan can access both basic and advanced AI models. The primary difference between these two categories is their ability to handle questions of varying complexity. Basic AI models are ideal for everyday coding tasks, such as generating boilerplate code, explaining simple code snippets, and drafting documentation. They have a more modest memory capacity, making them a cost-effective option for routine queries. On the other hand, advanced AI models are designed to tackle more complex challenges thanks to their superior reasoning capabilities. They can process entire code files to deliver highly accurate and context-aware suggestions. To get started, open the AI Models drop-down menu. From here, you can either let Bito auto-select an AI model or manually choose one that best suits your needs. For this chat, let's select Claude Sonnet 3.5 and initiate a chat with it. After choosing an AI model and starting a chat, the drop-down menu will disappear, and your chosen AI model will manage the entire chat session. If you wish to change the AI model, click on the New Chat Session button located in the bottom left corner of the Bito pane. In the new chat session, you can select a different AI model from the drop-down menu. Before we conclude, here's one more useful feature to consider. Instead of starting a new chat session every time you want to switch AI models, you can revisit and continue your previous chats by navigating to the Chat Session History tab. Click on the Session History button to view your past chats. Here you can select a previous chat, and in this case you can see the model selected was O3 Mini High. Essentially, the Chat Session History allows you to pick up where you left off with any AI model. That concludes our tutorial for today. I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.